Okay. Okay, this is a quick presentation about Habitat Marte, some updates that we are doing in the Habitat Marte Space Analog Station. We some data we just received here more than 10 countries for in-person missions, more than 220 missions in person and virtual. Some countries that just participate now around 50 countries just participate in the Space Analog missions. A little bit about me. I have a bachelor on psychology and management, and I start to study about analogs during my postdoc, University of Central Florida, when I noticed about the operation of the Mars Desert Research Station, uh, led by Robert Zubrin and also Mars Society. When you saw the experience of Mars Desert Research Station on Utah, we perceived that would be possible to do something in Brazil like this. Also, I am a professor of sustainability in industrial engineering department. A little bit about our location here in the South America. Also, there is many flights will stop in São Paulo or Fortaleza and a next flight to Natal. Also, there is a direct flight from Lisbon. It's an international flight. And Natal is very touristic. Many hotels in the city, and also have time. It's good to have time for fun in the coast and also activities in the countryside. Here, for example, the crew of World Biggest Analog having a good time here in Natal. We were very happy with the great experience that we have with them here. And this is a photo showing the facilities, the Habitat Marte, the Luna Habitat, the Lava Cave, and our fourth habitat called Cosmic Habitat. We now, in December, we are achieving 8 years of operation. It's knowledge habitats is very important to anticipate possible situations that would occur during the real space missions on Mars or Moon, and the space analog stations are very strategic for it. Some topics about the space sustainability that we need to consider in the operation of Habitat Marte. We are the only station in the southern hemisphere, and we are located 2 hours from Natal to countryside. Is in this area where Habitat Marte is located, it's just a landscape with a lot of cactus in the place. Here is possible to see Habitat Marte, the Luna Habitat, and Lava Cave Habitat. They are spread in an area around 500 meters here. It's possible walking around. And this is a recent photo of World Big Analog, the participants in front of Habitat Marte. Also a photo from a drone. This part here covered is our greenhouse. Also other photo of the greenhouse in the participants of World Biggest Analog having a great time. Also, something important in our process is like we have like food from freeze-dried food from the supermarket, and also food produced in the greenhouse. In this case, very interesting. For example, when going to prepare a pasta, take some basils in the greenhouse to prepare the meal. And we are starting like a controlled environment. It's like called Green Lab, and also it's with a conditioning. And we are receiving Brazilian researchers of agriculture next Monday to evaluate what you need to do in terms of upgrades of this controlled environment. Also, a swimming pool called Infrastructure for Underwater Extravehicular Activity. Now we have around 20 protocols operating here. Some facts. Now more than 200 missions, more than 1,200 participants. A third, like it's are women, and one of them was Dr. Simon Proctor. Yes, just mentioned by Shelley. Yes, this is the photo of the end of the Water Bigs analog that was concluded October 26th. and also with Duda, our employee and local manager. And yes, and Salmia, Mark, Daniela, Kathleen, and Lucas. And we were very happy with the great time here. Yes, and there is many intravehicular activities, and you try to look to operate as a self-sustaining habitat, looking water management, closed food production, solar energy, and health. Yes, and these are some places that we have to have the extravehicular activities like the lava cave. This is a recent photo done in the lava cave. It's under a rock formation here. And we are creating a loft. This will be on one of the next updates here. Yes, the Luna habitat. And also there is a volcano close to us, like a 1 hour driving. It's very nice place for photos and extravehicular activities. And also to conclude the virtual missions. In the virtual missions, they need to imagine a station on Mars, think about design, protocols to be operating these stations. Yes, and here are some topics that we are talking virtual missions like astronaut selection, training, quarantine, logistics, and researching. And the idea of the missions is the simulations bring data to research, and the research bring ideas to simulations. Some part of our social impact. This is the former president of Brazil Space Agency doing lectures to local students. Yes, here the visits of universities. And this is the announcement of our missions for 2026 and also my WhatsApp and our our Instagram. Okay. Yes, a little bit about us. Maybe someone would consider apply to participate in a mission during 2026.